Don't tell my husband. He thinks I'm on my no-buy, and so do you, but that was an epic fail. All right, hi, I'm Carolyn, and I'm Carolyn and her clothes, and today I was bad and I broke my no-buy. It started out very small, and then I just had a really bad week, and I felt I deserved it, so I went all out and did some shopping. All right, so let me explain to you how this all happened. As many of you know, I bought a pair of faux leather pants at Loft, and I love them. First day I wore them, got a hole in them. I went to rebuy them, and they were out in my size, so I bought them in a 2 petite, which I then showed you. When I went to then put the link on the video itself, my size, the regular size 0, was back in stock. So I returned the 2 petite and reordered the size 0. All right, now... So I will style these for you one more way so you can see how versatile these pants are. And I will put in the link below, possibly above to the other video where it was a 2 petite, so you can see the difference in length. But I really wanted the longer length because it is winter here and my feet will get cold and my legs will get cold in that crop length. So yeah, these are a regular size 0. Very happy to, again, have them back in my closet. Making sure there's no issues with these. They don't seem to have any holes in them. I don't know what happened with the first pair that I got a hole in it. Now, when I went to order these, shipping was not free. So then I said, oh, well, let me see if I can get up. I think it was like $125 to get free shipping. And then I realized these were on sale and there was no way I was going to get free shipping. But this somehow landed up in my cart too. So I have this sweater in the orange, and Laura showed it in this one. It's just a navy and white stripe, but they have these cute little sleeves with the turquoise and the orange. And I just thought that was so cute. This is like stitched up as a cuff. So yeah, this ended up in my cart too. So I was like, all right, I justified it because again, I had to return the other pants, get these, and I was looking for free shipping. You know how it goes. So I justified this purchase. All right. This one, I think it was, the price on this is marked $69.95. I believe I got 30% off of that. And the pants were only like $33. All right. Up next, Laura influenced me on this one. And it was always in my cart or my wish list on Evereve. But when she bought it and tried it on, I'm like, oh, I want that. But it was $168 on Evereve. It is the blank NYC, what is this called? The Perfect Night Jacket, all right? This jacket is incredibly warm because it has a furry vest that you can pull out. The inside of the vest is furry, the outside is faux leather. So you can wear the vest as its own either way, or you can wear the jacket with the vest or the jacket alone. So there's 4 ways you can wear this jacket. I will most likely just wear the jacket with the furry vest inside it because it's cold here, at least right now. Maybe as it gets warmer, I'll unplug the jacket, but this got on sale. It was originally $168. It went down $107. And I thought for a jacket 4 ways to wear it, $107 is not a bad price. And it is like a warm jacket. And I can wear this probably like 35 degrees and up because I only go in and out of my car. I don't do that much. So I will try this on for you so you can get an idea of what it looks like on me. I did size up on this. Laura got it in a small. She thought I probably could do an extra small, but I figured with the furry vest lining and then also putting another sweater, even if it were thin underneath, it would be too much. So I did size up for the smallness. In the Loft sweater, I got my usual extra small. So now you would think, all right, Carolyn, those purchases are justified. You're okay. Go back on your no-buy. Well, that's when I blew it today. All right. If I look disheveled to you, it's because I am. I was trying on a bunch of clothes. So first I went to one shopping center, all right, back to Loft. I've had my eye on these in Loft since the last time I was there. And they had something online that they didn't have in store, so I had them order for me that too. All right, first up, this blue and gray sweater. It's a striped sweater. I got it in an extra small. I did try it on in store. Blue and gray, in my opinion, runs big, particularly long, and just big in general. You're gonna have to tell me if it looks ridiculous and way too big on me. I didn't think it did. I tried it on, I didn't think it did. It has the hood, okay? drawstring, and I just thought these stripes in green and navy and like a yellowish mustard color, red and another green were just so fun. And I think I was channeling Kristen from Moments in Sanctuary when I got this, because this is total 70s vibes in my opinion. And then with it, I got the matching knee socks. I mean, oh my gosh, how cute is that? Yes, I had my eye on this for a while, so I'm glad I finally purchased it. Now, the two of these together were $70, but then they had said if you want to use because again, everything is always 30% off. The sweater alone, if it were full price, is $89.95, but I got 30% off the sweater and the socks. And then they said to me, if you open up a credit card, you get another $20. So I was like, okay. So that was another $20 off. So these two combined cost me $50. It's a lot, I think, but I do really like this. Let me tell you the material of this sweater. I think it is 100% cotton, but I'm not 100% positive. Let's see. Yes, 100% cotton, machine wash cold, delicate cycle. I'll tell you what this sweater is made out of. I just throw it on the floor. Very good. This one, the Loft one, the striped one, is 54% cotton, 26 polyester, 20% nylon. So yeah, those are my Loft purchases plus one thing on my way. Then you would think I've had enough, but White House Black Market is in the same shopping center. So I went to White House Black Market, and since Christmas time, there's a pair of jeans I've been eyeing, but they were $120. And do I need jeans? No, but they were cute. So I went back I literally looked, and in my purse, I had a coupon for spend $150, get 50 off. Plus, I had $15 in rewards. So what did I get? For $104, I got these wide leg sailor or military inspired jeans with the buttons down here on the side and little buttons in the back. How cute are these? These are a pretty dramatic flare. Okay, I tried these on. I do like them. If you are interested in these, I had to size down. These run big, and if you're over 5'5" tall, I do not recommend them for you because the regular 00 in length fit me well with heels. So if you ended up being over 5'5", these probably would not work for you. And then with it, I got this cute top. I don't know why, but this top, for whatever reason, was calling me. It's in an olive and white stripe. You know, it has the puff sleeve. It has a little bit of different striping here on the side. And this I got in a double extra small. My store did not have an extra small. And I did try on a similar top in an extra small, and it kind of fit weird. It was like gaping around the neck. So I tried on the double extra small. You're gonna have to let me know if it's too small. The people in the store were telling me no, it looked fine, but if you think it looks too tight on me, I will try and exchange it for a regular extra small. Alrighty, give me a minute and I'll model these clothes for you. Okay, first outfit is from White House Black Market. As you can see, the length on these works well. They're not even dragging on the floor. And I did have to size down. These are 00, regular, not petite. So again, if you are interested in these, definitely size down. And they do have stretch in them besides that. You can see there's like enough room in here on me still, even with the sizing down. So plenty of stretch in them. They're gonna stretch out throughout the day too. And on top of that, no one over 5'5". These probably will not work. The top, I do think, it might be just a tad small. I mean, yeah, it's fitted, but you know, it's also good because it's fitted because it's gonna work with one of the jackets. You're gonna have to help me decide which jacket you like better. The first jacket I have is from White House Black Market years ago when I was still heavier. It's a cargo style, all right? It's a size 6, but I still think it fits, but I don't think it necessarily goes with this outfit, all right? I think the casualness goes, but I almost think because it's so long and the pants are so wide, it kind of swallows me up, all right? I don't think it's too big, but you guys let me know. I just think maybe the style doesn't work with this outfit because of the length, all right? Here's the back of it. Here it is buttoned up, all right? I had the sleeves pushed up. I pushed them up even a little bit more so it doesn't look so oversized on me. Let me know your thoughts. Would you wear these two together, or is the jacket just too overwhelming with the jeans, all right? Then the next, I have the Ichi blazer that I got from A Front Door Fashion. It's a knit blazer, all right? So it's very like a sweatshirt almost like. And I can wear this blazer with this, pull up the sleeves a little bit, make it a little bit more casual, fix the shoulder pads, or I can wear the blazer with it, okay? Again, it's a casual blazer. It's knit, it's not structured. What are your thoughts? Do you prefer the jacket or do you prefer the blazer with this? I'm thinking I'm leaning towards the blazer because of the length of where it hits and it's more fitted and the pants are more flowy. Let me know your thoughts, okay? So here's the front, and I'll show you the back of the pants with the buttons back here. And like I said, these are $120, but I had, spend $150, get 50 off. And then on top of that, I had $15 in rewards. So for the top and the pants combined, I ended up spending $104, which I don't think $100 for an outfit is that horrible. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next item. Okay, again, excuse my appearance. I'm a hot mess express. My hair is just freaking falling apart right now from all the trying on I've done today. So up next is the Loft sweater. It's a blue and gray and the socks to match. This is something I paired it with a Banana Republic. I think it's a factory skirt, not the regular Banana Republic. I got this, gosh, definitely 2018. I was 50 years old and we went to Vegas, and I got it in Vegas, and I'm pretty sure I got it at the Banana Republic outlet there. It's a button fly skirt, okay? This is like something I would wear if we were to take a day trip somewhere. We're possibly toying with the idea of going up to Montreal in June and, walking around the city or something like that. I paired it with my white Adidas sneakers. You seldom see me in sneakers, but this is like something I would wear if I were going like a day trip or touring a city or something like that. The sweater is great because it is 100% cotton. It's not a lightweight, I would say it's a medium weight sweater. So not heavyweight, but not a lightweight either. And I can like wear like a t-shirt under this, and if I get too hot, I could take the sweater and tie it around my shoulders. So yeah, I think this is cute. I think this is a cute, fun, cheery outfit for spring. All right. So this is my outfit, and give me a minute. I'm keeping everything that I purchased so far. I'm gonna try on a few more things. Okay, up next I have on the Perfect Night Jacket by Blank NYC that I got from Ever Eve. I ordered from them directly. So as you can see, it fits great. The sleeves are a little bit big and a tad long, but I don't mind that at all. This is more important. And because it has the furry vest, and I would probably wear like a sweater underneath this, I'm happy I got this small because then I have room to move and layer. So this is with the furry vest. I'm gonna give you a minute and I'm gonna take it off and show you the other ways to wear it, but I would most likely be wearing it this way because it is cold now. Plus I don't have any other moto jackets. I retired my other moto jackets, but I do have a black faux leather blazer, a navy blue moto. So I probably won't be wearing this without the furry vest, but maybe I'll give myself a choice. Okay, here it is without the vest, and I do have to say it is a little large on me. It does have room to spare, but I think because of the vest, I would keep it, like I said, I'm gonna be mostly wearing it with the vest. And I think if I keep it open, it looks fine, and I think I can pull up the sleeves somewhat. Can I? No, it's a zip sleeve, so it's kind of hard. So I can unzip it and possibly turn it up so it's not so long in the arms, possibly. All right, how does that look? Does that look silly zipped up? I'm not so sure. All right, so this is the back of it. And give me a minute and I'll show you with just the furry vest by itself. Okay, here's the furry vest on the outside. I would not wear this because I already have a black furry vest. So there really was no need for this portion. I was kind of more interested in the thickness of the jacket itself and the fact you could wear it multiple ways. Give me a minute, you can wear this on the reverse. Okay, and here it is on the reverse side, the faux leather. You do see the snaps from it being inside the jacket. I don't think that's a big deal. But yeah, this is this way. And again, I probably wouldn't wear this on its own because like I said, I already own a furry vest and I don't think I need like a faux leather vest with fur on the inside. But I was interested in this jacket for more of a warmth thing. I actually got rid of my cooler, lighter weight jacket and I got rid of my black moto. I was looking for something to replace it. All right, so this is a keeper. even though the jacket is too big without the vest. With the vest, it's necessary. Okay, the pants, all right? I will link a video above of the ones that were petite. These are the regular, so the petite I got in a size 2 petite. And I would have to say, up here, it fits the same. The 2 petite and the 0 fit the same, but the length is definitely longer on the 0, and it comes just to my ankle. The other ones were well above my ankle, and my legs would get cold in the middle of winter. The top is a black and white striped top from LA Made that I got from Ever Eve 1 or 2 years ago, and I got the inspiration to pair this together because the Loft site actually had a black and white striped top to pair with these pants. So I decided, why not wear mine? You know, it has like the puff sleeve, the balloon sleeve here, a little bit of puffing here on the shoulder, and I'm wearing my black pumps from Stitch Fix. I forget who makes these. These are Stitch Fix in-house brand shoe. I think it's either Market and Spruce or Violets and Roses. I forget who it is, okay? So yeah, this is a perfect going out to dinner outfit. All right, give me a minute and I'll put on the next item. Okay, last top. So this is, again, the Loft. It has the cute little orange and blue, turquoise blue stripe here at the cuff. Again, this is cuff and cannot be rolled down. It's cuffed up. And the navy blue and white. I paired it with a pair of dark washed straight jeans from Just Black Denim that I got from a fashion. And again, my white sneakers. You're like, Carolyn, what's with the sneakers? Well, I actually pulled these out. I seldom wear these. These are what I call my vacation shoes. Like when I'm going to do a lot of walking, typically to cities on vacations, I wear these shoes, and I'm glad I pulled them out because they're kind of shot. So I think I'm going to run over to DSW and get a replacement pair. So yeah, this is my outfit. I can totally see myself wearing this, either touring the city, visiting my daughter on her college campus, you know, etc., etc. So yeah, cute little sweater. It's thin, knit. I can wear my navy blue moto over it. Yeah, it's great. I'm happy I got it. And this one I definitely copied from Laura. I knew I had the orange one, then she showed the orange one and this one, and I did not pick up on this one in store. So I'm glad I saw it on her, because I said, oh, I gotta get that one too. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I obviously do a lot of shopping hauls and try-ons, even when I say I'm on a no-buy. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care until next time.